Lamborghini Aventador Limo. The Lamborghini Aventador Limo is a groundbreaking fusion of hypercar performance and elite luxury. Stretching the iconic Aventador chassis into a limousine format, this one-of-a-kind concept redefines automotive extravagance. Powered by a roaring V12 engine, it retains the aggressive styling and power of the original supercar, while integrating a lavish interior that includes luxury seating, ambient lighting, and high-end entertainment systems. Designed for those who demand attention and exclusivity, the Aventador Limo delivers an unmatched statement of prestige. It's not just transportation. It's a mobile masterpiece that brings the thrill of a Lamborghini with the comfort of a private lounge. Hummer H2 Limousine. The Hummer H2 Limousine is the ultimate symbol of rugged luxury and commanding presence. Combining the bold off-road DNA of the original H2 with the elegance of a stretched limousine, this vehicle delivers unmatched comfort, space, and style. Its extended chassis houses premium leather seating, ambient lighting, a minibar, high-end audio systems, and cutting-edge entertainment perfect for VIP events, weddings, or corporate occasions. Despite its luxurious interior, the H2 Limo retains the muscular stance and iconic grille that make the Hummer legendary. It's more than just a ride, it's a powerful statement on wheels. Klassen Mercedes V-Class. The Klassen Mercedes V-Class limousine redefines luxury travel with its fusion of elegance, innovation, and versatility. Designed by Klassen, a leader in bespoke automotive craftsmanship, this stretched V-Class transforms into a first-class lounge on wheels. Inside, passengers are treated to fully reclining VIP seats, ambient LED lighting, a partitioned driver cabin, and cutting-edge multimedia systems. Crafted with premium materials and advanced sound insulation, every ride promises unmatched comfort and privacy. Ideal for executive transport or elite leisure travel, the Klassen V-Class limousine offers a refined experience where luxury meets functionality in perfect harmony. Klassen Range Rover. The Klassen Range Rover limousine is a masterful blend of British luxury and German precision engineering. Extended and refined by Klassen, this bespoke limousine transforms the iconic Range Rover into a rolling palace of elegance and power. Inside, it offers a sanctuary of comfort with VIP leather seating, ambient lighting, a high-end multimedia suite, and a private partition for ultimate discretion. Built for elite travel and executive prestige, it retains the all-terrain capability and bold presence of the original, while elevating luxury to a new level. The Klassen Range Rover limousine is sophistication without compromised luxury, redefined. Porsche Panamera Limousine. The Porsche Panamera limousine combines the heart-pounding performance of a sports car with the elegance of a luxury stretch vehicle. Extended to offer greater comfort and exclusivity, this custom limousine retains Porsche's signature design and dynamic driving experience. Under the hood lies powerful engineering, while inside, passengers enjoy a refined cabin featuring plush leather seats, ambient lighting, premium entertainment, and advanced climate control. Perfect for VIP transport or upscale events, the Panamera limousine delivers a unique blend of speed, sophistication, and style. It's where Porsche performance meets first-class luxury on a grand scale. Rolls-Royce Phantom. The Rolls-Royce Phantom Stretch Limousine is the epitome of opulence, grace, and bespoke craftsmanship. This extended masterpiece elevates the iconic Phantom into an ultra-luxurious space, designed for dignitaries, celebrities, and those who demand nothing but the best. Powered by a smooth V12 engine, it glides with silent authority, while the lavish interior offers handcrafted leather seating, starry sky headliner, ambient lighting, and a private partition. Every inch reflects exclusivity and perfection. More than just a limousine, it's a moving sanctuary where elegance meets prestige. The Phantom Stretch is not simply transportation, it's a statement of timeless luxury. Bentley Mulsanne Grand Limousine. The Bentley Mulsanne Grand Limousine is a stunning expression of handcrafted British luxury taken to its grandest form. Extended by Bentley Mulliner, this ultra-rare limousine offers unmatched elegance, comfort, and presence. Inside, four-facing executive seats are wrapped in the finest leather, complemented by rich wood veneers, ambient lighting, and discreet technology. A partitioned chauffeur area ensures privacy, while rear passengers enjoy a serene first-class atmosphere. Powered by a refined V8 engine, it delivers effortless performance with graceful authority. The Mulsanne Grand Limousine is not just a vehicle, it's a bespoke experience reserved for the truly distinguished. Mini Cooper Limousine. The Mini Cooper Limousine is a bold and playful twist on iconic British design, blending charm with unexpected luxury. This stretched version of the beloved Mini retains its signature retro-modern styling while offering a surprising amount of interior space and sophistication. Inside, you'll find custom leather seating, LED mood lighting, premium sound systems, and unique entertainment features, all crafted for comfort and fun. Perfect for stylish city events, parties, or unique promotions, the Mini Cooper Limousine stands out with its quirky personality and upscale details. It's compact in spirit, grand in presence, a true head-turner on every street. Rolls-Royce Serenity Phantom. The Rolls-Royce Serenity Phantom is a masterpiece of bespoke luxury, inspired by the elegance of Japanese royalty and handcrafted to perfection. This one-of-a-kind Phantom features hand-painted silk interior panels, cherry blossom embroidery, and exquisite wood veneers, creating a serene, tranquil ambiance unlike any other vehicle. Powered by a refined 12 engine, it glides effortlessly, offering a silent, cloud-like ride. Every detail from the pastel color palette to the luxurious seating reflects Rolls-Royce's dedication to artistry and refinement. The Serenity Phantom isn't just a car, it's a rolling work of art, designed for those who seek ultimate exclusivity. Jeep Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee Limousine blends rugged performance with refined luxury in a bold, stretched design. This unique transformation turns the iconic SUV into a sophisticated ride, perfect for upscale events, VIP transport, or stylish nights out. While maintaining Jeep's powerful stance and all-terrain capability, the limousine version features a lavish interior complete with plush leather seating, ambient lighting, multimedia entertainment, and a minibar. It's the perfect balance between adventure and elegance, offering comfort without sacrificing capability. The Grand Cherokee Limousine is a statement of strength, luxury, and individuality, an unforgettable presence on any road. Lincoln MKT Limousine. The Lincoln MKT Limousine is the perfect blend of modern luxury, comfort, and timeless American elegance. With its bold, sleek design and extended body, it offers a spacious interior tailored for VIP experiences, weddings, proms, and executive travel. Inside, passengers are treated to plush leather seating, ambient lighting, advanced sound systems, and privacy partitions, creating a refined and relaxing atmosphere. Built for smooth, quiet rides, the MKT Limousine ensures every journey is as enjoyable as the destination. Combining contemporary style with classic limousine sophistication, the Lincoln MKT Limousine stands out as a premium choice for stylish, high-class transportation. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.